Billed as the next Tesla, the hydrogen electric truck company Nikola moved its headquarters to Arizona and promised thousands of jobs and a billion-dollar investment.
Now their founder is charged with fraud, accused by federal prosecutors of lying about nearly every aspect of the business. All new at 5, ABC 15's Zach Crenshaw digging into the trouble now plaguing the Arizona company.
In 2018, the Nikola hype was in full effect.
I am proud to announce that Nikola Motor Company is coming to Arizona.
Governor Ducey tweeting, shaking hands, local mayors touting.
Jobs and jobs and jobs.
These are 2,000 jobs that need to be trained, that need to be the right kind of people that want to be heading up clean energy.
But federal prosecutors say founder Trevor Milton is anything but clean.
And he will have to answer for his allegedly false and misleading statements in court.
Milton also indicted by the Securities and Exchange Commission, accused of flooding the market with false and misleading information to inflate the Nikola stock price and make himself a billionaire.
The guy who's making all these incredible claims is not even an engineer.
A short seller's report exposed Milton in September of last year. He quickly resigned.
The price of Nikola's stock dropped more than 40%.
Everyday investors lost tons of money.
In some cases, their losses amount to tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars, compromising their financial security or their retirement savings.
Everything about it was a fraud, and everybody who was involved in the corporation worked hard to cover up the problems that they were having.
The Arizona Commerce Authority and Governor Ducey were instrumental in luring Nikola from Utah and convincing the startup to build this $600 million assembly plant in Coolidge. We asked the governor if they did enough due diligence before offering more than $45 million in economic incentives.
State government doesn't make a judgment on financial health of a company. I mean, that's left to the marketplace and the consumer. Every business is a measured risk.
But we want at least some basic due diligence to find out whether or not these companies can really do what they say they're doing.
Nikola still has its headquarters in Phoenix, its factory still under construction, and employees already working inside. The question now, will the company be able to deliver on any of its disgraced founders' promises? Zach Crenshaw, ABC 15, Arizona.
In a statement, a Nikola spokesperson says in part the government actions are against Mr. Milton individually. We remain committed to our previously announced milestones and timelines.